Okay, so today I'm going to take down my faux locks. As you can tell, they are fake. I've had them in for 2 months now, and it is time. It is time to get rid of them. I love them very much, but I'm gonna take them out. And I'm excited because these are actually the first time I've ever had faux locks in my hair. And I did them myself. I don't have a video of installing them. When I put them back in a week or two, I will do that. So before we get started, if you'd like to hit the like and subscribe button and turn your notifications on, you will not miss my next video of installing faux locks yourself. I think it would be easier for me actually if I pinned my hair up and then took them down one at a time instead of just going through my hair. The hair that I use is called like Bomba locks. I'll include the link in the description box, but let's start from the back. They're 18 inches long. I don't know how far you can see, but fully stretched, they're like equal with my belly button. I'm a very short person. I'm only 4'10", so I don't know how long it would be on a taller person, but I use the crochet method. These are pre-looped. So it was easy to install, but it did take a long time. It took me 2 days, and I have about 60 locks in my head. So sometimes people ask me if they felt very heavy, especially I guess if you take the size of my bun into consideration, it would look heavy. It's not. These are super lightweight. I don't know if you can tell, like, these are very lightweight locks, which is why I love them. Oh, I'm going to continue using this brand. There you go. First one's out. I don't know if you can see how raggedy this has become in 60 days, but it is time. I don't know if how well you can see this, but the way that I would do the install these is I would braid up my hair into 60 of these, and then I would tuck it into the lock. And you can see the knot of the lock. This is supposed to be at the root of my hair, so all of this is new growth. And this is what I have to undo. Then I'll be able to take this out. And all these tiny little braids, which I suppose I could do faster with a comb, actually. But I don't have one in here. I might go get one in a minute. I think I'm working pretty quickly though. Okay, I'm about halfway through. As you can see, my hair. This is my bun now. It's much floppier. And I just wanted to take the time, well, I still have the time because I'm getting through these, to answer a few more questions, which was, one of them I know I got a lot was how often do I wash my hair? Without locks in, I wash my hair probably twice a week, and I deep condition every single time. When I put the locks in, I wash my hair about once a week to every 10 days. And I focused on the roots of my hair because everything else is tucked into the lock. I did not deep condition my hair, so I haven't deep conditioned in 2 months. I didn't see a very efficient way of doing it without getting the deep conditioner tangled into the fake hair. I suppose I could have, but I just didn't. How did I keep my hair moisturized? I would use a leave-in conditioner, just put that on my fingertips and rub it into the hair, mostly on the scalp. And then I would oil it with a bottle applicator. And that was it. My hair is not broken, it's not damaged, it's not dried out. It actually feels really soft and really nice. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's the pre-loop and the lock. I was going to choose between faux locks or box braids, which I heard box braids you keep in for like 4 to 6 weeks. Whereas I've seen people keep in faux locks for up to 3 months, so it's a big difference there. I was doing them myself, so I didn't trust that I could do box braids as neatly as as they should be done. If you mess up on box braids, it kind of messes up the entire hairdo. I got a comb, by the way. I really like the style of faux locks because of how beautiful they are, even when they're not perfectly symmetrical, when they're a little sloppy. You know, the older they got, the grungier they looked, the more natural they looked, and the more beautiful they are, in my opinion. So I really like them for that. If you're kind of trying to decide what protective hairstyle you're gonna get into, those are definitely factors you want to think about. I've had these in for so long, and you can see how old it looks. See the braid is like showing through, how tangled it is. There's the knot. So this is the knot that I'm holding on to. So that's the growth that I got in the 2 months. And some of these, actually, I used about 4 packs of hair, 15 in a pack. I had a 5th pack of hair that I went through because every time I washed my hair, I would actually redo some of these, take them down, redo some of them. Some of them I replaced completely because I just felt like they were too tattered and too raggedy looking. I don't have that much left, so I'm just looking at half my head and the other half. I don't know how much this is. Probably like 20 more to go, maybe. I don't know. But I like the way my hair looks. This is actually a really nice braid out. It's a 2-month-old braid out, but it's pretty good.
Thank you guys so much for sticking around throughout the entire video and watching me take out my faux locks. I hope that I was able to answer a few questions anyone might have had if you're interested in getting this hairdo for yourself. I really enjoyed having you guys here, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is much appreciated. This is a little clip of how much hair I had in my head. It was actually 3 pounds worth, a total of 60 locks. And here's a bit of a before and after. I personally like both of the hairdos, but I will be getting faux locks again. And can you believe it? This is all the hair that came out on my very first wash. 2 months worth of shedding, and it's really not very much at all. I'm actually very proud. So my hair was not taken out, it was not snatched out by the locks. Thank the Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next time.